Hello everyone, Contra Messi Gringo here with another tutorial for you. I'm gonna show you 3 variations of this exercise. Pick the one that suits you best and let me know how you're getting on. Nice, we're gonna start with a meio de frente and I'm gonna do my leg switch to the same side that I'm kicking. In this case, right leg behind, I am kicking to my left. So meio de frente, the leg doesn't touch on the floor, straight up, and I'm gonna change. Note one thing, I'm not gonna try to land this leg too close to my hand because the closer it is to my hand, the harder it is for me to transition and the longer the movement goes. So I want you to try to finish the leg away from your hands. So once I do the transition, 1, look where my hand is, and I'm gonna try to land it far. So once the leg that's in here goes in, I'm landing on my toes. That's important. Change the round. If I'm gonna do the level 1, I carry on rotating on my toes, and I set up my cartwheel, my AU. If I'm doing level 2, the AU de cabeça, I change my leg here, away from me, carry on rotating the support of this arm, change all the way, and place my head ready to do the AU de cabeça. If I'm doing the carneirinho or macaquinho, I keep the leg in parallel. So from here, I do my meio de frente, change, landing far, landing the leg on my toes. From here, as I transition, I land. I'm doing it with the AU, coming back, but it's up to you whether you want to finish there, you want to come back with another AU de cabeça, however you want. I hope that makes sense. Feel free to click the link on the description to have access to the school flow with many more tutorials like this. Also my full support. If you want something specifically, get in touch. I'll be happy to help. And also share the link with your friends, with your capoeira group, whoever that wants to learn, to want to improve their fitness, their capoeira, regardless their group, regardless their level. There is always something that I'm gonna be able to help with to improve. See you on the next one and stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching.